How to make Moneygram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can create a Moneygram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you're interested in creating a Moneygram account, it's a bit of a basic process as well. You have to open your browser, or you can use the Moneygram app, or you go to moneygram.com itself. I'll make sure to drop a link below. When you first come to the website, it will ask you to select a region. So first of all, select the continent that you are from. In my case, it's from Asia, and here you can see it says choose country or territory. So over here I'll just go ahead and select my country here. After I do that, it will ask me to choose a language, so I'll select English because that is what most of you are going to be understanding here. And then just tap the submit option here, and once you tap on submit option, you should be able to see other details as well, where you can see find a location, track or transfer, anything as such, but we're going to ignore all of that. We just want to create our account, right? So we will tap the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen, and here you'll find the home, many of the other options that you can find over here. And if you want to begin sending or receiving money over here, you should be able to go ahead and find the options to go ahead and then basically sign up for your Monzo account as well. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically finish creating a Moneygram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.